Good morning, children. So, today we move on to see the next topic, that is water. Why we can say water as a universal solvent. Okay. So, what are the reasons behind why that it is a universal solvent? So, we can say water as a universal solvent. What are the reasons we are going to see? Okay. So, what is solvent? So solvent means it have to dissolve other molecules and compounds. Okay, that and all you already know. Solvent means what? It has to dissolve. It has to solvent has to dissolve other molecules and compounds. That is some salts. It has to dissolve salts also. So solvent is it is a substance which is have the property to dissolve the other molecules and compounds. If you take water as a solvent means it can dissolve solids, liquids and gases. Okay, for example, if you take salt solution, in salt solution salt is mixed with water. That is here water is act as a solvent and salt is the solute. Okay, so in a salt mixture water is the solvent and salt is the solute. That is that water make the salt to dissolve in that liquid, right? So it is known as solvent. So water has the unique property. It has that water is the liquid that only have that unique property to dissolve more substances. That is, it may be a solid, maybe liquid, it may be a gas. It has the unique property that it has to dissolve, okay, all that solids, liquids and gases than any other liquids. That is the important one. Than any other liquids, water has the property to dissolve solids, liquids and gases. If you take salt solution, sugar solution means that salt and sugar are dissolved in that mixture, right? Water has a unique property to dissolve more substances than any other liquids. So it can dissolve solids such as salt and sugar, liquids such as honey and milk, and gases such as oxygen and carbon dioxide. Okay, so it can dissolve more number of substances than any other solvent. So we can call that water is a universal solvent. So here we can I told you know that salt are dissolved in water. So what is that important of that dissolved salts? Dissolved salts in water. What are the importance of dissolved salts? So dissolved salts are essential for the growth and development of plants. Okay, dissolved salts are important for the growth and development of plants. Then it only give taste to the water, because water is a colorless, odorless, tasteless liquid. If salt is added to the salt is added to the water means give taste to the water. If salt is added means we can that sour taste we can feel. If sugar solution means sugar is added to the water means it is sweet, just a sweet, right? So it gives the taste to the water. Then it supply the essential minerals needed for our body function. So these are the importance of dissolved salts. Okay, dissolved salts in water. So apart from salts, solids and minerals, air is also dissolved in water. I told you, know, oxygen and carbon dioxide are dissolved in water. So it is important for the living organisms to survive their life. Then aquatic plants make use of this dissolved carbon dioxide for photosynthesis. You just read in book page number 40. So these are the reasons behind why water is called as a universal solvent, because it can dissolve solids, liquids and gases. Okay, so in the next class we will see about purification of water. Okay, purification of water and hardness of water. Thank you, ma.